Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your iPhone better by using folders. So you'll see on the bottom of the screen here, I have 4 social media apps. I have a Pinterest app, a TikTok app, a Twitter app, and a Reddit app. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder and put all these in it, and then I'm going to call it social. Okay, so to do that is actually pretty easy. Just going to tap on the screen, and you'll see the icons starting to kind of vibrate. I'm going to grab the TikTok app and put it onto the actual Pinterest app, and it automatically labeled it as entertainment, but that's okay. I'll change it later, and then I'll take the Twitter, put it in there. You'll see it kind of looks like it vibrates in, and then I'll do the Reddit, and it's all in there. And then I tapped on it, and you can kind of see it's entertainment, and I'm going to relabel this as social and hit done. Click off, tap on the screen, and it's done. Isn't that cool? I hope that helps you. Thanks.